Authority local weather forecast.
Welcome back. Well, I hope everyone had a wonderful Halloween and our weather conditions were absolutely pretty great as well. But let's go ahead and take a look outside on our RV World Yuma sky cam. There's not a whole lot going on for the rest of the night, just chillier temperatures. You'll see a little bit of cloud cover starting to roll in as well. But let's go ahead and take a recap on what happened today with our temperatures, because today we hit a high of 86 degrees and our average 85, so just over by 1 degree, but still pretty enjoyable for this time of year. And comparing it with our record high, 98 degrees. So back in 1988, on this day, 98 degree was the high. So looking at 86, not bad. So we'll definitely take the cool temperatures, and also even our low 55. So and our average 60. So not too bad out there. So staying pretty comfortable for our Halloween, and I'm even tracking some major changes in our forecast, so I'll get to that in just a moment. But temperatures are continuing to cool off as we were in those mid and low 80s this afternoon. So 70 degrees currently in Yuma, 69 in Imperial. So if you are still having some Halloween plans, it's going to be a little chilly as the night continues. So we'll see some lows going into the upper 50s and even some mid 50s out there, even some low 60s as well. So it'll be pretty chilly as the night continues. So just make sure you're bundling up out there. And even going ahead into tomorrow morning. So here's a little bit of a look on our temperatures. We'll see them rise just a little bit, and we'll be in the low 70s by 9 a.m. But check out our clouds. We are really going to increase in some cloud cover as we go into tomorrow morning and all throughout the day. So tracking a storm system that's going to start to take place later this week. So I'll get to that in a second, but here's also a look at our winds. They'll stay pretty light, so coming from the southeast about 10 miles per hour, and our dew points will stay pretty dry for the most part. We will see them linger close to the 50s as the day goes on, but still for the most part staying pretty dry and comfortable overall. But here's a look on what I'm tracking in the upcoming days. So we're going to have this low pressure that's going to continue to build in few days. However, we are going to still stay nice and seasonable, but as we go into Wednesday, so the middle and later half of our week is when we're really going to start to feel some changes, and that'll include chillier temperatures, wind, and also some rain potential as well. So here's a look at our winds on what I'm tracking. So winds are going to stay pretty calm for the most part, but as we go into our afternoon hours is when we're really going to see those winds start to pick up just a little bit there. So we'll see those winds start to creep in on us around our afternoon hours and going into our Tuesday. So we'll have those winds that could peak up about 20 miles per hour or a little bit stronger. And even going into Wednesday through Friday, well, those winds is really going to be a focus. Now here's a look now on our air quality index presented by Imperial County Air Pollution Control District. It's overall not too bad, mostly moderate for the Imperial Valley, but still nothing too concerning there. However, by we going into tomorrow, we're really going to increase in some cloud cover. So we're going to see partly to mostly cloudy skies for our Tuesday and even over the next few days. So I am tracking some storm potential. Now, I'm not seeing anything going on here, but it's staying pretty light, and it's something I'm really keeping a close eye on in the next upcoming days. So here's a look on our 8-day forecast, sponsored by Polar Cooling. So we'll have those winds start to pick up on Wednesday through Friday, and some storm chances is possible for Thursday. But look at our temperatures, upper 60s by Thursday. So definitely want to bundle up and have sweaters on hand and jackets, because you'll definitely need it, because we're going to have a major cool down for Yuma and Imperial Valley. So they'll have a similar setup for the valley as well. Just those temperatures, a nice cool down, and even overnight lows looking in the upper 40s. So pretty chilly for the desert for this time of year. Back to you, Adam.
Melissa.